up, YouTube? And we're back. Buddy said, oh, brother? That's crazy. Oh, shit. You're bad. Bro, it's early. Some may say too early. And I am the sum. We are headed to... Where are we going? To Lime Rock Park for our first track day event. And I will not be driving, but Wes will. Meet up with you when we get there. This will be the second lap. Buddy says he has to be perfect to put the GoPro on, so I'm gonna get as much footage as I can as the second lap just with this camera.
Because there's he lets you drive it? No.
post-lap interview. How are we feeling?
Tires got a little hot, but she feels good.
Good.
I'll tell you that much.
You were stopped over there, so I was like, oh, buddy broke something?
No, I was just waiting for traffic. There was a car entering, so I was letting him pass.
I was also just telling how you don't want to put the GoPro on until you're damn near perfect, but...
Just wanted to warm up a little bit.
Oh,
This button will let it out. Once you hook it up, that button will let it out.
Thank you. Yeah, it threw a light, like a TPMS light, because it got so hot and inflated.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at what it's at.
Oh, it's up there. It's like 35.
It's at 36 and a half.
Yeah.
We gotta get that down to 30. Well, it turns real well. You can tell when it gets hot. When it got hot, though, you can feel it.
we'll make sure he doesn't die, yeah?
Let's see what the fuck I got it at. 28 on the nose.
On the nose, buddy.
We'll do 28, and if it handles weird or something, we'll, he's got an air pump, and we'll pump it
Oh,
up.
yeah. I'm going to let him cool down for a little bit.
Well, setting him hot means by that when you...
I understand that, but I'm saying it was at 115 when we stopped. So I'd like it to drop below 100 before I do more laps.
Don't be a baby.
It is time lap time. Thoughts?
I don't know, bro. Some fast cars out here today, so we'll see.
Tell me your goal.
I'm just trying to do a 45. I feel like that's a good goal. The F80 behind us that did his time lap, he was able to run a 41.5. He's got suspension, some power mods, and he's got Cup 2s on 763Ms. So if I can do stock competition with Pilot Super Sports, the OEM ones, I'm happy with the 45.
Happy with a 45. I'll get as much footage as I can of you, boss. All right? Kill him. had a goal, and he definitely hit it. 45-1. So about to go over there, see what he thinks, see what he thinks he got, and then tell him what he got.
44-2. So your first lap was 49.8.
Really?
Second lap was 48 something.
Really?
Your last lap was 45-1.
Really? Not bad.
Met your goal, dude.
I did. I thought the last one was faster. I thought the last one was. Oh, this is yours.
Oh, you could tell you were being more aggressive. You could hear,
Well,
hear it.
I was going way too clean the first one.
You got
and the second
this
No, that's
down, man. You got it down.
Yeah, you exit this one great.
one. I think as I come through here, I could have been better. I definitely lost time on the skid pad.
Did you not go too wide or go too wide?
I went not wide enough, and then the second time I went too wide, but then I tried to cut it too hard, and I was like understeering, so to speak, because I wasn't on throttle. And then the last one, I just sent it.
All right, well, that is going to do it for us at this wonderful Lime Rock track day. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, as I'm trying to make this YouTube thing work out. Won't be too many track days, at least not that I participate in. My build is coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.